everybody, here we go with lecture number 3 in the Energy and Living Systems series. This is on photosynthesis, at least the very first part of it anyway. So what is photosynthesis? It's first off, it's to be carried out by green plants and some bacteria, some protozoa. In these organisms, that photosynthesis takes place usually in a membrane-bound organelle called chloroplasts. Or chloroplasts are filled with a green pigment called chlorophyll, and that's what gives plants their green coloring. So in photosynthetic bacteria, the reactions of photosynthesis actually take place within the cell itself. They don't have their own organelle for this. So a little bit more about this chloroplast. Chloroplast is enclosed by an envelope consisting of 2 membranes and separate a very, very narrow intermembrane space. And the membranes are also divide the interior of the chloroplast into very small compartments. These flattened sacs called thylakoids are in places are stacked together called grana, and the space between those are called stroma. So you should also know that chloroplasts have their own DNA. They and mitochondria have their own DNA. More about that idea later on. So photosynthesis in chloroplasts. So diagram below is really showing the process here. So we have water coming in, sunlight hitting these thylakoids, and in the process it is it's generating some ATP, some NAD, pH, and H+, and this is carried from this called the LDP, the light dependent reactions, over the light independent reactions. So in the process we also release oxygen down here. So these things are sent off to these light independent reactions, or light independent photosynthesis, where it also picks up some carbon dioxide, we release some water, and we release a sugar. This is going to end up becoming glucose. Okay, there's a little bit of a glossary for you.